First thing we do is take off the Honda Navi storage box. It's 3 screws, 2 on the bottom, 1 up top. Once the storage box is out, we're gonna remove these 2 10mm bolts so that way we can remove this bracket. There's 2 plastic spacers here. You could remove that. We're no longer gonna use these. Next, we're gonna remove this 10mm bolt right in the center. And then there's also this thin washer that we have to also remove from the mounting point. Once that's all removed, there's gonna be 3 included aluminum spacer from Chimera. The short one goes right in the center, and it's gonna seat together with this little sleeve that might come off when you remove the bolt. So make sure that's in place, and this will sit right in the middle of that. The 2 long ones will be towards the back. Once that's in place, we're gonna grab the T bracket. I'll set it down. We're gonna take these 3 flat top countersunk bolts, put it into position. So the tricky thing about these bolts is that the Navi has the mounting or the threaded location at a slight angle. So before you use any tools, use your finger to screw the bolts in, just to make sure that everything goes in smoothly. And using a number 4 Allen wrench, you slowly tighten it up. It shouldn't take that much effort. If it feels really tight, then something is wrong. So just carefully thread it in. Make sure that they're nice and snug. Now we're gonna take our MOLLE panel, put it in place. For the top 8mm threaded hole, you can use the factory bolt if you like, or you can use the included socket head cap screws. Next, you're gonna grab 2 M6 bolt and nut. We're gonna go from the right to the left. So these will be inserted from this end, and the nut will be on the opposite end. Using a number 5 Allen, we're gonna tighten up the nut and the bolt. And make sure these are nice and tight. Now these 2 lower bolts are tight, we're gonna tighten up the upper one. Make sure they're nice and tight. And there you have it, the Chimera Engineering center MOLLE panel for the Honda Navi.